I know you want to become a web developer in 2025, but you're probably looking for free resources to learn, right? Now for you, I'll be sharing 5 best resources where you can learn web development from basics to advanced, completely for free. But before moving forward, remember one thing, that there is always a difference between learning from free resources and paid courses. In the paid courses, if you would have any doubts, you'll get help from the instructors. Whereas in the free resources, you have to clarify all your doubts on your own, like clarifying through Google, ChatGPT, YouTube, etc. So this you need to keep in mind. Now let's begin the show. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. This is Srishanth and welcome to Srishanth Tech Hub. Before you starting, you need a clear roadmap to learn your preferred skill. So the first website is roadmap.sh. This website gives you a step-by-step roadmaps for skills like front-end, back-end, full-stack, DevOps, AI engineer and more. This website will give you the very clear roadmap step-by-step for the skills you wish to learn. Now the second step is to start learning the required skills and technologies. So the second resource is YouTube. YouTube is one of the very best resources to learn anything. In YouTube, there is no specific channel I would recommend, but I can suggest you that almost 50 to 60% of the channels teach very well in YouTube. So for example, if you search for JavaScript full course, then you can pick anyone from the first 3 to 5 results. That way you won't waste your time for searching. But if you ask me to suggest any particular channel for web development, then my personal choice is Apna College and Code with Hari. See, these are just my personal choices. This is not like promotion or something. This is purely my opinion and I won't tell you to learn only from these channels. You can choose your own preferred channel. While learning, you'll have questions, doubts like how to write syntax, declare variables, use loops, etc. So the third resource is MDN Web Docs. It is an official guide with clear explanations on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React and more. It's perfect for clearing doubts anytime. So once you finish all these 3 steps, it's time to prepare for job interviews. And for that, you need strong problem solving skills. So the fourth resource is LeetCode. LeetCode helps you practice coding problems in any programming language or any technology. And you can start with coding challenges in Leet. If you feel they are complex, then you can start with easy problems and slowly you can go ahead for the intermediate and advanced problems. Now the last step is to show recruiters what you have learned. So the last website, which is the fifth one, that is LinkedIn. In LinkedIn, you can share your projects, you can post updates about what you're learning, what you're building, you can connect with the recruiters and other developers, you can build your tech profile. LinkedIn can literally get you hired if you stay consistent and active. And that's it. These are the top 5 best resources to master web development in 2025. So let me know which one you are starting with. Comment below, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the thumbs up button for more such interesting videos. And don't forget to subscribe Srishanth Tech Hub. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.